Zapier, Make, n8n. If you're looking to create automations, these are one of the 3 tools that you may want to actually use. Today we're going to explore their features. I'm going to show you 1 or 2 things about them that makes them stand out. So let's check them out. Okay, so the first thing we're going to jump into here is Zapier or Zapier. So Zapier has a fantastic intuitive drag and drop design, and it makes automation accessible even for beginners. It supports over 5,000 apps, ensuring compatibility with pretty much every tool you can think of. Also, you can create your zaps to automate tasks between apps in just a few clicks, improving effortlessly. You can also link multiple actions into one single workflow, enabling complex processes to run greatly. Also, you can apply filters to the zaps, and you can have them active only when certain conditions are met, so you can reduce errors, and you can also monitor your zap performance and troubleshoot issues with detailed task logs and even error reports. 1 or 2 of the drawbacks is that their pricing can be a bit on the high side, especially for teams or businesses requiring more frequent data syncing or more automations or even more zaps. While it is user-friendly, as I mentioned earlier on, it does lack the more control and flexibility that some of the other tools may have. Alright, we're having a look at Make now. So Make actually offers an innovative visual drag and drop editor to create complex workflows with ease as well. Also, their pricing structure, unlike some of its competitors, include more generous free tier options. It's sort of more aimed towards budget-friendly users or anybody that's kind of new to the scene. Also, Make allows for detailed tweaks and conditions, catering for anybody with a more technical expertise. You can track your workflows as well, step by step in real time to identify and also fix any errors as they actually happen. Also, with Make, you can actually customize how data flows between apps, ensuring more precision in your automations. You can also access direct API integrations, which obviously provides support for apps that are not natively available with Make. 1 or 2 of their drawbacks is a bit of a steeper learning curve. They do have a lot more to offer, so that is something to take into consideration. And then again, unlike some of its competitors, it does have fewer app integrations, so it doesn't have such a huge library as what some other tools may have. Let's have a look at n8n now. So n8n is actually open source, and I love open source software. It means that you can customize it more extensively to meet your more unique business demands. Also, host n8n, you can do so on your own server. Again, being open source, it offers more control over your data privacy and, of course, your security. There's also dynamic data operations. You can perform complex data manipulations within your workflows, making it ideal for more advanced, more technical users. And if you are a self-host, n8n is actually entirely free to use, which is highly cost-effective for startups or anybody on a tight budget, or basically anybody. Free stuff is awesome. You can also create unique triggers for advanced workflow automations using their built-in webhook functionality. And as an open source tool, n8n benefits from a growing global developer community, contributing features and plugins. 1 or 2 of their drawbacks, though, unlike some of their competitors, it does demand some coding knowledge or some more technical understanding to unlock its full potential. So if that is not something that you've got, it is going to be a problem. Also, it's a bit of a steep learning curve. The lack of pre-built templates, as like some of their competitors, and their guides, it can make it a bit frustrating for anybody that's kind of less experienced within that sort of software. So there you go. You have now seen the benefits as well as the drawbacks of both of the platforms. At the end of the day, the key takeaway is to go and experiment with each one of them. Find out which one actually works for you, and then make a decision based on that. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.